All right, we're back. Sorry that the stream cut out, y'all. We are back. Back again. That was rough. I need a new computer. It's the truth. I need a new PC. Because this one just can't handle the load. Sorry again, y'all, that the stream cut. Sorry again, forgive me. Sorry again, y'all. If it cuts again, then I might just get off for the day. But I am truly sorry that it does that. I need a new PC. That's one of the biggest reasons why it's cutting. Because it just can't handle the load of the stream and the trading. But it is what it is. We're going to get a new one soon. I'm still trying to fight for that nice one I want. See, like it's blasting heat. Gosh, this thing is hot. Let's see. All right, whatever. All right, so we rejected at that 15 minute. Rejected at this 15 minutes so easily. Rambo Cito, wait for 10 a.m. silver bullet. Silver bullet. Whoa, we sweeping the lows, coming back up, making a market structure shift, looking for a fair value gap, and then we take off. What is it? Silver bullet going for the shorts, or we going for that silver bullet for the longs? Let me know, Rambo Cito. Are we going for that silver bullet for the short, or are we going silver bullet for the longs? And what time frames? Give me some pointers, man. I need some help. I just got back on because my stream just cut out and I'm just all over the place right now. What we looking for? What we looking for? Let's see what we looking for. Silver bullet? Let's see. Silver bullet. Is it on a daily? Maybe we having a rejection and we seeing a CRT right here. Can we see a rejection and get below? Hey, yo, I like how you thinking. Get below the previous day low. See a retracement back up. Let's see if we can get that break. I like how Rambo's speaking. I like how Rambo's speaking. Hey, yo, the last stream cut out. My computer does get hot. I need a stronger computer because my computer can handle, look, it can handle trading. But when it's stream and trading, it's not built for that. And I didn't realize that until like, okay, now I realize that my computer just turns off. So if the stream cuts out, I'm truly sorry. I need to get a new computer. I was gonna spend some money, some good money, a good amount of money on it. So I'm just trying to work it out. But yeah, Rambo is talking about a 10 a.m. silver bullet. Let's see what's up. We got a couple more minutes into the 17-minute prints. Also 17 minutes into the 10 a.m. I like that also will be a macro time. So we might see a short. If these shorts can play out, this might be a silver bullet that he's talking about. And which I'm thinking too, also on the daily. Why do you say that? On the daily, I see this. What is this right here? What in the world? Hold up. That, get out of here. Also on the daily, right? Go down on 15 minutes on that. Also on the daily, look at this. CRT, I'm thinking a rejection right here. We couldn't break this high. We didn't break this high once. We didn't break this high once. We didn't break this high twice. We didn't break it 3 times. We also rejected right here with this huge candle, taking out these highs. And now it looks like we're rejecting. 10 o'clock, 9:50 to 10:15, 9:50 to 9:10 is macro time for the shorts, which is ICT. We can see a CRT trade right here. We got this big green candle right here, followed by this rejection candle in the middle. We might see a rejection and see on shorts. We might see it. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. I was thinking short, but I wasn't sure about it. I was trying to go long, and I realized that these might be a short play. I placed a 15-minute supply zone because look how perfectly it rejected off of it. Man, crazy. Crazy, crazy. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Let me get rid of this. Actually, I'm gonna keep it. 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 We're gonna wait. Rambo's talking about a silver bullet. Look at other markets, brother. I actually do. I got it next to me. It's like in the corner right next to me. Like I'm seeing other ones right now. I would slide them over, but I think it lags my screen a little bit. So I just keep this one on here. But I do have other screens. I could flip through it, but it's gonna just keep lagging the stream. That's the catch. I've noticed that when I started looking at other markets, my chart started lagging. So I try to keep it on one, but I can see ES, I can see gold, I can see the other ones. It's just I can't keep shifting it on the stream, and it just, I don't know, I gotta get a new computer, Rambo. I gotta get a new computer, man. It's just been tough, it's been tough. But I do see the other markets. I do see them falling down. I see them hitting certain price points that they about to reject. But shout out to everybody in the chat. Waiting for that 10 o'clock. I like how Rambo's speaking. Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay, yeah. Okay, I see what you're saying. I will wait till 10 o'clock. I will wait till 10 o'clock. But I'm trying not to switch to other markets because the stream lags. That's what I'm saying. Like if I start pressing too many different charts and instruments, it starts lagging. So I'm trying to keep this computer from getting overhyped. That's all. Yes, sir. I hear what you're saying, Rambo. I just can't. I don't want to, like if I keep going to gold and going to ES or going to any other instrument, my computer starts lagging and getting hot. It's like start loading, and I'm trying to slow it down. This computer ain't built for streaming and trading all at the same time. So if I start adding too many indicators, if I start adding too many patterns or charts, or studies, it literally starts overheating the computer. So I'm trying to minimize it as much as possible. Now I would definitely trade other instruments by myself, no doubt. It just, for the time being, for the stream's sake, I got to. Like I ain't gonna lie, trading is one thing, but try streaming and trading. Totally different animal, man. Especially when you're trying to make sure the charts ain't lagging. I can show you right now. I got the chart speed. Look at this. I don't know if y'all can see it. Bro, I got the chart speed on slow. Look at this. I usually have it on fast when I'm not streaming. But I have to keep the computer not getting hot. That's the thing. It gets hot too quick. So I'm trying my best to see how slow that was. If I start slow the other stuff, man, that thing won't just fry up. That's what's up, bro. Look at now, it's starting to turn to an airplane. Bro, this computer is 29. It's a 2019, and it's not even 32 gigabytes. I'm looking for a nice Asus on computer, maybe a Zephyrus G16, 32 gigabytes, bro. Man, I need something powerful. This computer is 2019. Are you gonna return to making? Be honest with you, I think I'm gonna be sticking to trading. Now, one day I think I will. I honestly think I will. We in the process of doing a lot of stuff right now. As you can see, this is a different setting right now. So we're doing a lot of stuff with my family. So it's a lot going on that I can't talk about. But for sure, we're gonna definitely get back to the videos very, very soon. That's why we see this setting. There's a lot of change going on. But for the most part, I'm trading. Computer ain't the best. I can't really flip through too much. I have other charts up, but if I keep sliding it over, adding indicators, it's gonna make the computer too hot. And then guess what? The stream cuts out. That sucks. Like, why start the stream just for it to cut out? But if I can limit the amount of stress that this computer takes, if I can limit the amount of stress that this laptop takes, I think it can keep the stream going. You see what I'm saying? It'll keep the stream going. But if I keep on switching and keep on adding stuff, or it's gonna just make it too hot. And I've noticed that in the past streams, like, wow. So once I get the new laptop, we should be golden. I have 4 charts up sitting at once. I would. I'm not joking. We're gonna do that. All right, so look, it's looking short. It looks like CRT, right? It looks like CRT, candle range theory. We see that we took out these highs, we rejected and closed below these highs, and now it looks like we're about to reject and go for the lows. I would like to see this in 10 minutes, this 4-hour candle print, see a retracement back up in this high, and then reject and get below this previous day low. We're gonna see. Just waiting more confirmation. I like that Rambo brought it to my attention because the last stream did cut out on me. And it kind of threw me off, and I was all over the place with my trading. Right? We also got a 4-hour fair value gap right here. 4-hour inverse right here. Can we get below this? Just more confirmation. If I can keep this chart simple as possible without adding too much on this charting. 4-hour IFVG, because it's an inverse fair value gap on a 4-hour. I'm gonna jump down to a 15-minute. If we could respect it on a 15-minute, I'm going for these shorts. Big wick right here is a rejection. I like that. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see. We gotta break this point. I'm gonna jump down to a 15-minute. If we retrace back up on a 15-minute in this previous day low, I'm taking these shorts. You hear what I'm saying? In a couple of more minutes, which is, 9 more minutes. You're like, wait, why should you take the shorts now? I would, but we got 9 more minutes left. Let me look at a 5-minute. It's so overextended. See how overextended this is, especially how we reject all this. Man, this rejection on this 15-minute was crucial. It's crazy. That was crazy. That was a crazy rejection. Let me get rid of this high. That's invalid. Don't need that no more. Big rejection. 4-hour big rejection. These shorts are coming in heavy. What's gonna be our TP? That's gonna be the next question. When we do take the shorts, what's gonna be our TP? What's gonna be our next TP? Can we go for these lows right here? Would this be TP? Could this be the low? TP, full TP right here. Full TP at full TP at 22,842. Can we see a full TP at 22,842? I'm looking for a good draw on liquidity. This might be first TP right down here too, for sure. I don't want to see us drop down and hit that. This could be first TP, right? Not second TP, first TP. And then full TP down here. I don't want to see us come down so fast though. That's going to be catch, but if we do it, that's cool. Maybe 250 ticks, maybe down here. I like that. I'm thinking of something like this. Rejection on the previous day low. And we just retracement. You see this? This look like a power of 3. Power of 3, accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Maybe that. Also off the CRT. Put it together right here. Bop. I'm liking how it's looking.